Welcome to this new video from the Test Kingdom. Please note that the content is for reference only and that the data may vary from actual situation. Today we will meet our best heroes for fight. We will see the different kind of heroes we have, how to equip them, to look for the best attributes you can have and the skills you can unlock and get with them. So let's start with the infantry. We will see that we have 3 infantry heroes and we will begin by Selma. Selma is one of the most incredible heroes in the game. You can use her for attack or defend. Her special skill with the pikeman made her one of the best infantry heroes. I use her mostly in defense, but you can enjoy her skill for attack. We will see that Selma have a special skill that you unlock on the skill tree. The skill tree is the same that you have on your lord, so you can dispatch the points on the different skills. As you won't use Selma in defense, you can increase the defense and the health. You have 3 skills you can use on battle, as the pike crit damages 10%. The second one will be the crit chance at 10% also. And you have a last one you can develop and unlock. It's the infantry receive damage at 5%. To be efficient, your hero needs to be well dressed. In this configuration, I am using 2 from the Gladiator set to get more infantry and 4 Archangel to get attributes. The evolution of the set will bring me more units attack and defense, health, but also at level 8 and 10, basic attack and basic defense. The Archangel pendant will bring you also pikeman crit damages, infantry receive damages, and pikeman crit chance. The must-have here is the pikeman crit chance and to try to have it several times. On the armor, you will find among the attributes the infantry receive damages again, as you will find it for the other kind of troop. You can use them for your defense as we will use Selma on our walls. On the Archangel leg guard, you will find the defensive damages. That's the must-have when you use Selma on the walls. The Shin Guard will provide you basic attack and basic defense for the troops, not for all. For the attack it's only for the archery and the siege engine, but you find for all the troops the basic defense to develop to get your Selma on your walls. After unlock the skills with the experienced hero and get the equipment, you can have more attributes to use on the hero attribute. You unlock them with hero badge and also you can get here the skills you want. The idea here is to develop the defensive damages again, and also if you want, after unlock many slots, get infantry attack, infantry defense, health and the pikeman crit damage again. Hero, you also have exclusive skill you can upgrade using hero shard. Here we have 4 very interesting. The basic defense in the first place. The second one is the must-have, the crit chance. The third is one very important, it's your infantry damages. And the fourth can be helpful as you will reduce the enemy archer attack. Wild Swordsman is an infantry hero who gets his skill tree completely oriented on the infantry. Different from the Selma. You will have health, you will have percent of attack, defense on it, but also special skills like pikeman hit. You will find again skills for reduction of the infantry damages, crit damage, and here interesting damage dealt for the archery, the crit chance and damage by infantry. So you have a very good hero on infantry, but also with special skill for the archery. I better use it in march for attack than on my walls, as Selma do the job. The equipment set you can use for the Wild Swordsman will be a full Archangel, although we might prefer to go Gladiator or mix equipment, Gladiator, Omnipotent with Queen and mix with Archangel. The purpose is to cover the maximum of things and use best combo to get offensive damages and get your skills ready. Unlocking the different stars, you will have the damage dealt of cavalry. You will have reflect 10% damage that infantry receive in battle. That's also a good skill for your infantry to be more tough, and damage by infantry, of course. The fourth skill is for reduce the enemy archer attack again. The hero attributes, you have 2 for free, and then you can upgrade using hero badge. You can have all troops health, attack and defense if you want to rise your stats, but what is in my view interesting is to unlock here your offensive damage and offensive damage taken. As your hero, you can use it on the march when you attack. The full Archangel will give you the set equipment bonus. So here I show you with full Archangel, but you can, and I advise you to do it to change your boots. For the pendant, you have the pikeman crit chance to develop, must have 3 times if you can, but also damage dealt by cavalry is important to get. For the Shin Guard, it's here that I advise you to switch it for an omnipotent shoe or a queen shoe to get more offensive, or if you really want the basic attack, you can keep it. The difference on the offensive must be more interesting in my view when you use the hero in the march for attack. For the scepter, well, you will have all units attack. Shape it according to the hero you use, for example on infantry for White Swordsman. The helmet will provide you offensive damages, so here you shape it with the attribute. Best to have several examples in orange of offensive damage taken and offensive damage. If you don't have a helmet, you can switch and use a queen helmet to compensate and get the offensive. In some hero you will find fashion and you will be able to switch the outfit of the hero. What happens when you do that? It's you will have a passive skill. Here you have infantry attack and you have it without using the hero. Westland is the most accessible hero on infantry. He gets the skill tree with infantry oriented. At the end you will have the damage infantry like other hero infantry. But right now what is interesting on the hero is that you can unlock quickly the stars to get your skill. The skill you will have, it's infantry defense 60%, increase your health 40% and get 5% reduction of infantry damages. So the skill can be used on the book at any time when you want without using the hero. For the purification attribute, also here you will find offensive damages to complete your outfits. We have 2 archer heroes. You have Windranger, the first one who had been released with specific skills on a kind of troop. The hero is completely shaped on the archery on the skill tree. You will find the increased damage archery twice, so for be deadly on with the archer, you will have to develop this skill. We use it a lot before the cavalry take over. The ranger skill will give you more percent of attack of archery, health of course, and damages. The skills can be used at any time after the cooldown and without using the hero. Arrow God of Love is the second hero with archery. She got special skill. You will unlock them directly on the skill tree. So when you will have the skill tree, you can dispatch the point on the skill on infantry as usual, but you will have a special skill of archer hit in the first place. Then you will go and you will have dodge. Dodge, it's a skill who allowed your archer to avoid the hit, and at the end you will have archer basic HP to help you be more resistant on your archer, and also at the end you will find the usual damages. You will have also 3 skills to unlock with the stars. The first one will be the health of your troops, archer. The second is the archer hit, and the third is the reduction of archer received damages. You will have 2 free attributes to unlock, then you can unlock more with the hero badges. You have the skills as usual for increase attack defense, but also you have the offensive damages and offensive damage taken. The cavalry heroes, we have 2. The most interesting to have and to develop is Zhao Yun, the one you get from the God of the Recruitment game. You have his skill tree, you can dispatch your point as usual. The most important thing is at the end, when you finish level up it, you will increase the damage of your cavalry, and also you will have crit chance for your infantry. The attribute, as for others, you will have 2 for free. You can have more slot with hero badges, and of course here you will find again your offensive damages. For the 3 skill from the stars, you can have upgrade them with hero badges too. You will find health, you will find also cavalry damages and the basic attack for the cavalry. You will find also the fashion function for the Zhao Yun hero. Then you will have a passive skill on it, cavalry damage 3% and infantry crit chance. So Zhao will be the hero you can increase the crit chance. If you choose also to get it on the ring, you will have a hero good on cavalry and with a very nice infantry. The outfit will be available in the God of the Recruitment server ranking. The 10 first will have one. Death Knight is a very deadly hero on cavalry skills. When you develop the skill tree, you will find at the bottom the cavalry damages. When you will unlock the skills with the different stars, you will find in the first place the attack increase, then the charge damage for the cavalry and the damage dealt by cavalry. You can mix equipment to enjoy more specific attributes. With the Queen Helmet, for example, you will gain offensive damages and also damage dealt by cavalry. You have also on the armor of the Queen the damage dealt by cavalry on it. You can also compensate offensive damage getting the omnipotent boots and level it up. You can find the basic attack of cavalry on the leg guard. On the ring you will find damage dealt by cavalry and also the crit chance. On Zhao it's a good mix to have between two skills. You have 2 siege engine heroes. The first one is easy to unlock, is Sanada Yukimura. Sanada Yukimura, you have only 1 star for the skill, and then you will have other skills to deblock on the skill tree. The star is the damages. For the 3 skill you find, it will be siege engine attack, increase the training speed, and get to reduce the infantry defense of your enemy. When you are on the skill tree, you have to make your way till the end, and you will unlock the 3 skills, and you will find damage taken by siege among them. You will have reduced the enemy infantry to deblock. So you keep going till you find the infantry reduce defense. The second hero for the siege engine is Warsong Master. Warsong Master, on his skill tree you will find skills to unlock, and you will have also a 3-star hero. On the 3-star hero you find the siege engine health, the siege engine offensive damage, and the siege engine damage on it. The important thing when you develop your siege is to get more damages on them. When you work on siege engine, you want to increase the damages and the offensive damages. So you will find the damage on the skill tree, and for the offensive you will go them on the attribute hero like the other one. It's a hero with 2 free again, and then you use hero badge to get more attributes. The equipment will give you some specific skill for the siege engine. The siege engine receive damage, you find them on the armor. For the ring you will find there the offensive damage. You can combine it of course with the 6% of the crit chance. For the shin guard you will find the basic attack and defense for the siege engine, so you can have them easily as it's a purple one. Now let's see the last heroes. I put them on the specific one. The first one we will see is Christina. Christina is a cavalry hero, so I could introduce her in the cavalry, but I put her in the specific one because she get an exception is that she had her own set of equipment. And when you go on the skill, it's a basic skill tree like the Lord one, and she got 4 stars to unlock. You will find on them damage dealt by cavalry, infantry receive damage, you will have cavalry health, and the last one is the cavalry charge damage. When you want to see her attribute, you will have to use hero badges, and you will have 4 to use. In there you will not find the offensive damage, so you will have to use the equipment to compensate. Queen set will provide you extra bonus like infantry attack and cavalry attack, and each one of the equipment will have special skill. You will find damage dealt by cavalry, offensive damages. You also can find infantry receive damage on it. On the specialized hero you have Warhammer. Warhammer is a fighter, you use it on the march to attack and rally. It's an offensive one, so you will find on the skill tree offensive damage taken, and you will have also special skill with the stars. We have here a 3-star hero. The 2 first one will give you randomly according to the power of your enemy offensive damage. The last one will allow you when you attack that the battle will not count a part of the enemy troops. In the attribute you will find again offensive damages. It's a little bit increase regarding the other heroes. Soul Eater is a fierce hero. You use it really when you want to make damages and you want to be merciless, because he is a 3-star hero, and he will allow you to kill the wounded of your enemy. It will also turn your wounded into death, so you will protect part of your troops, but you will damage the enemy one. On the skill tree you will find offensive damage taken, and also you will find offensive damage, and at the end when you will go to the bottom you will find the skill who allowed you to turn your dead into wounded. For the equipment of this hero I will recommend the full Archangel, or use a mix Archangel Queen to get more offensive on it. Holy Shield is the last hero but not the least. It's the defensive one. His skills is around the defensive damages. On the skill tree we will find a class skill to dispatch, but mostly we will find defensive damage taken and defensive damage. The hero you can use it on walls, in reinforcement, or when you defend a building. On the skills of the stars you will find the defensive damage taken. You will have defensive damage also, and the last skill will allow you to get more health. There is a guard set who will provide also defensive damage. You can use it on the Holy Shield. On the attributes you will find defensive damage and defensive damage taken to unlock and to purify. Well, this is the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. For the resume, so the hero you have to dress him correctly and find the best attributes according to the role you want to give them, and increase the experiments to unlock the skills. Use the skills on the book skills when there is specific one, and get your hero charts to develop them. Also, do not forget for your hero to choose the best position for your guard on the walls, and make best of use of them. Well, stay tuned and see you soon.